Welcome. In this video I will show you how to watch Netflix, YouTube and all the other streaming services on your Anbernic RG556 console. So generally speaking, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is connect to the network. So go to settings, open network and intranet, then go to intranet, select your Wi-Fi network from the list and connect to it. As you can see, I'm already connected to one. I can disconnect from it and reconnect to it. It's just tap on the network you want to connect to and provide a password if required. And then just go to this usually second page on your apps list, open the App Store and then search, tap search and search for the application that you want to download, for example YouTube, and find YouTube, tap install. We can also download the Netflix application, it's also supported. Tap install and download it. And then you can also search for example, Twitch. Let's find Twitch and let's tap install next to it. And soon these applications will appear on your home screen. You'll be able to open them and start streaming, or rather watching your favorite videos on YouTube or Netflix. Of course, you have to log in to your Netflix account first in order to start watching videos. And the same with Twitch. Just log into your Twitch account and start watching your favorite streamers. Now, if these applications are for some reason not available on your device, you have to open this application, which is located on the very last page of your apps menu, and check for available updates. So just tap to see if you have the latest version, and if you don't, then take your time to install the latest software update for your device. Besides, you can also go to settings, swipe down to system, go to system and go to system update. It's rarely that this device has any updates since it uses an outdated Android version, but just if you're struggling with finding your favorite streaming services, that might be the reason. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.